glyphosate, I think, is getting in there. And so it messes up the binding of NAD, it messes up the binding of FAD, and that means these enzymes can't work. And these enzymes are just incredibly important in order to make the mitochondria healthy, because they're delivering protons to the mitochondria, which then go into the intramembrane space and drive the ATPase pumps. So the pumps get messed up by glyphosate, the ATPase pumps, and you can't make enough ATP. You become energy deficient, you become exhausted.
Wow. And then you have chronic fatigue, depression, all that stuff.
Yes.
Oh, man. Like in the nootropic space, in the biohacking space, everybody wants to have this simple answer. It's like, hey, you need more serotonin, so take some tryptophan, or you need some dopamine, take some L-tyrosine. And so that doesn't work, because, what you might actually have is this hijacking, this hijacking molecule of glyphosate, bumping its way in where there's supposed to be glycine molecules and throwing off the whole process of ATP production. And it doesn't matter how much precursors of whatever neurotransmitter you want that you take, you're not going to get anywhere, because this glyphosate's throwing everything off.
Right. And the other thing that's really problematic is that there are certain, a lot of times enzymatic reactions have an intermediate phase where a product is produced that's highly reactive. And normally one of these flavoproteins will grab it and immediately turn it into something else that's not reactive. But if the flavoprotein is broken, then that highly reactive molecule sticks around and starts messing up, your lipids and your proteins. It just starts causing all kinds of damage to the molecules in the cell, that then causes the cell to be in really big stress and end up having to shut down with apoptosis, because it's getting destroyed by all these free radicals that are there, because those enzymes that would usually grab it right away and take it to where it wants to go aren't working. And then it just goes off on a different path. And